Good evening. This is my portfolio update. So basically, these are my companies you can see which I own. So these are my company. I bought today. I think I got another entry in Dell, DELL, Dell. So I'm in the money in Amazon and CEG. Apart from that, all of them are very far out of the money. You can see here. I'm out of the money. I'm really out of the money, far out of the money on all of those. So this is a new entry. So I'm just showing the one which is I'm very far out of the money and expiring soon. This is expiring soon. Very far out of the money, very far out of far out of the money, very far out of the money, very far out of the money. WDC, you can see, yeah, that's out of the money as well. So these are new entry I'll talk about later. Very far out of the money and very long dated, and these are the new entry. So these are a lot of them are expiring this week, so I'll collect my full premium. Now the one which is a very new one, new edition, is HPE, and then I got HPE, and then I got GEB. That's a new entry, 23 days left, and this is a new entry, Amazon. And CEG new entry, I think I'm going to get in tomorrow. I'm planning to get in tomorrow. GLW, that's expiring, and Dell is my new entry in, and this is the biggest position of my. So that's where I am now. The Dell is $407, so I'm in the money on this one, but because I got about 11,050 on premium, so I'm sitting comfortably on this one, so that's fine. So these are all out of the money. If I go to my year-end date, so I am up. My realized gain is 97%, and my year-end gain is 113%. So that's where I am now. So these are all my new positions. So I'll just go through quickly on what are the companies I think. So if I go one by one, not money. So if I go here, GEB is okay. It's a daily chart. So GEB, it's in the morning it gone up and then it came down. So I think it will go up again. It will go up again. So GEB, this is GEB, and then I will talk about that's the one I said specifically is going 500 yesterday, even yesterday's. I've been speaking about this from here when it was about 400. On 10th of May, I said that it's going to go 500. Last week, I said, yesterday, I said, on Monday, I said, before the market opened, that it's going to. So 3 days, Monday, when I said it was here, then it's gone to all the way up. So that's it. So I booked my profit on this at $505. So let's see how it goes. Now, what's my plan is tomorrow. I'm thinking of getting again on CEG. So I think it has to go to $286. So this is the one which I'm thinking it has to go. There is no other options for it. So it has to go there. Once it's gone there, then 285 specifically, that's when I book slightly, I'll trim slight and see how it goes. So that's about $18 away. And I think it will go next week, if not this week. And then I can see here, I said Caterpillar or Rocket Love is coming. I'm a buyer at 90. I'll start buying it below 100. and then we'll see. So that's Rocket Lab, my plan. Then APLD, I think it needs to go slightly down. This is where I'm going. It's just below 40, will buy massively. Even 45 is a good price for APLD, but below 40 is a sweet spot. So this is a sweet spot here, 40, and that will fill the gap as well. So that's the plan for APLD. And then Caterpillar, I booked my profit of Caterpillar here, not partial profit. So I think I said to you that it's going to go to 950. It was shy of 950, but it might go to 960. So that's when I will exit 960. I will exit Caterpillar. Caterpillar is then EOS gone down and gone down in the massive way. So it's 820 now. I think it's got to go above 10. So I'm still a holder. I sold some of it at 950 because that's when I thought like the bear and bull will fight. The fighting zone is gone. I booked slight profit on my MPX. I bought HP. It's gone down slightly, but I'm a long. This is one I'm building. I think it will go to $70 by the end of July. So end of July, HPE is going to 70. That's when I'll book my profit. Until then, any red day, I'll buy 100 shares. Any red day, I'll buy 100 shares, at least 100 shares. If it's gone very big, I'll buy 200 shares. So that's my plan. Poet gone to 1550 at some point. Yeah, about $16. So because the photonic is too hot, I think it needs a bit cooling down. So if it comes down again below 14, I will reposition again. Today I sold my Poet 1550, not fully exit but half. So and then I'm waiting for it to come back to $14, and then I'll buy again. Hive, it's gone down, so any red day is a buy. So I bought it today in my private account. Okay, Vertiv Light, the Vertiv is been very beaten. Sorry, Light is gone very beaten, so it might come down to 900. 870 is a sweet spot for this company. So anytime 870, I am the buyer. I'll buy if I can buy. I'll buy all shares of it. Coherent, I exit my Coherent today. My shares, I let the shares gone. So let's talk about Marvel. It's too hot. Marvel is 301. I think it needs to come down to here. Then it will find buyer. But ideally, it's 220 is a good price to buy. So tomorrow, if the Marvel goes down, I will be selling put. 220 will be my price target, and see how it goes. So 220, I'll sell Marvel put tomorrow. So that's my plan for tomorrow. Okay, Palantir, it came down. Now here it filled the gap. Now it needs to 135 is I'm going to get in again. So 139 I'm going to get again. So this is the one Palantir I'm thinking. And okay, IonQ, that needs to come down a lot. It needs to come down to $60 if it wants to attract me again. Okay, right. Let's talk about Dell. Where is Dell? Okay. I'll talk. So Dell, I bought it. I still think Dell will go up. It might come down slightly, but it's not coming down below 400. So if anyone thinks it's coming down to like feeling this gap, I think it's very unlikely to feel this gap now. It might do it with the sector if the whole Nasdaq comes down, but it might come down. Otherwise, after earning flash, it's too good earning. I don't think it's coming down below 400. If it comes, there will be plenty more buyer, and I will be one of them. The one which I am very, very keen on to get again in, which one? Sorry, I got this one wrong. Right. So it needs to come down to 347, 346. So I am the buyer if it anytime comes beat this range. So Google is coming down to 345. Good days are coming. So I will buy Google at 345. That's all I think from me. The market was down, but I wasn't down much. I was down about 7,000, I think. So yeah, I was down about 7,000. Yeah, 7,000 I'm down. And that's okay. I'm down mainly because of Dell, and these are the I'm down on. So mainly, let's see how it goes. A lot of them are expiring. I think about 1,500 shares, 1,500 contracts is expiring this Friday, which is tomorrow. And after that, it will free up my cash. I think I can deploy my capital to more energy sector and some of them in photonic. Memory is too hot. It has to come down below 900, especially Micron. GLW is sorry. WDC is same. It's too high. It's very expensive. So I will see how it goes. But it's expiring again. All of them are out of the money. Thank you very much. Peace and blessings. Happy investing to you.